In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for business, a step-by-step guide. First, let's get your workspace data protection right. Before you upload any company documents or customer information, lock down your settings. If you're using a personal account, open the bottom left profile menu, go to Settings, then Data Controls, and toggle off the option that says Improve the model for everyone. That keeps your content from being used to train public models. If you're working with a team, consider a ChatGPT business workspace. Business tier workspaces are designed with stricter defaults so your corporate data remains protected. It's also a good idea to document these settings and share them with your team so everyone follows the same policy. Next, connect your central apps and knowledge bases so ChatGPT can work where your information lives. In Workspace Settings, open the Connectors or Connected Apps panel and authorize secure access to tools like Google Drive, Microsoft SharePoint, Notion, Slack, and Salesforce. Once connected, you can ask the AI to summarize project feedback, draft responses from context it can read, or align calendars across teams. If your plan or region has different connector options, choose the closest equivalents and ensure permissions match your company's security policies. Now, prime the model with a contextual brief instead of a short prompt. Hold Shift plus Enter to write a clear multi-line instruction such as act as an elite chief operating officer, venture capital consultant, and enterprise strategist. I want to build a comprehensive launch strategy for your product. Before you draft any sections, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one regarding my operational budget, target buyer persona, and top marketplace competitors so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. Then answer each question directly to tailor the plan. When your baseline is ready, open a structured workspace to organize it. Type /canvas. Construct a formal operational business plan matrix based on our data. Organize the sections into a clean table displaying core department task, projected execution cost, required team resources, and 90-day KPI benchmarks. If available in your workspace, your screen will split with chat on the left and an editable business document on the right. From here, refine inline. Highlight any row or sentence in the canvas, click the comment bubble, and give a precise instruction like rewrite this marketing section to prioritize organic B2B LinkedIn growth and adjust the 90-day KPIs for higher traffic. The model will update only that block. Finally, verify market data and export. Use the globe icon to run a validation check like check current 2026 enterprise software market trends, then open sources to review links. When everything looks right, click export/download in the canvas and save your brief as a Word document, CSV for spreadsheets, or a print-ready PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next